Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will break down the syllabus for the Salesforce Certified Einstein Analytics and Discovery Consultant exam and give you a clear study roadmap. This short guide will point out the domain weights, difficulty, recommended learning time, and the core topics you must master. The exam is divided into 6 domains with these exact weights. Data layer 24%, dashboard design 19%, dashboard implementation 18%, discovery 16%, administration 12%, and security 11%. Together these areas cover data ingestion and transformation, user experience and visualization, advanced queries and interactions, predictive modeling, environment administration, and access controls. Use these percentages to prioritize study time and focus practice where the exam will test you most. Data layer is the heaviest domain at 24%, rated hard. With an estimated 30 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment, you will learn to configure Salesforce local and remote connectors, manage data sync and incremental refresh settings, and upload external CSVs through the UI or API. The curriculum also covers data preparation using recipes and data flows where you apply joins, appends, lookups, augment and compute expression nodes, and implement cleaning and bucket transformations. Finally, you will master dataset management and optimization including dataset XMD for field formatting, monitoring data manager job execution, designing architectures to minimize data drift, and handling retention and storage limits. Dashboard design accounts for 19% of the exam, is medium difficulty, and requires about 15 hours of focused study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches visual design principles so you can select the right chart types for KPIs, apply consistent color palettes and accessibility standards, and optimize layout and information hierarchy. You will also practice widget configuration and layout skills to build responsive dashboards, configure filters and toggles, group components with container widgets, and design dashboards that work well on mobile. Emphasis is on user experience and information density to make analytics actionable for business users. Dashboard implementation makes up 18%, is labeled hard, and recommends roughly 25 hours of hands-on and conceptual practice. You will write and modify SAQL queries to calculate complex metrics, use windowing functions and groupings, and apply filters and limits within query logic while troubleshooting performance and syntax issues. The domain also covers advanced interactions and bindings where you configure selection and result bindings, implement dynamic components with static steps, create faceting between datasets, and customize JSON for advanced widget behavior and global filter broadcasting. Strong practical skills with SAQL and dashboard JSON are essential to pass this section. Discovery represents 16% of the exam, is hard, and suggests about 20 hours of scenario-based study focused on Einstein discovery capabilities. You will build and interpret stories, configure goals and objective functions, and review what happened, why it happened, and what could happen in sites while addressing data quality issues like bias and multicollinearity. The syllabus includes deploying models to Salesforce objects, integrating predictions into Lightning Pages or Experience Cloud, configuring the Einstein prediction service for external calls, enabling discovery write-back, and monitoring model performance and accuracy over time. Practical scenarios will test your ability to refine variables, evaluate story versions, and maintain predictive accuracy in production. Administration is 12% of the exam, considered easy, with about 10 hours of conceptual and scenario-based study recommended. This domain covers app management and life cycle topics such as creating CRM analytics apps, using analytics templates for rapid deployment, migrating assets with change sets and data bundles, and configuring analytics watchlist and notifications. You will also learn platform settings and limits including enabling CRM analytics features, managing growth versus plus licenses, monitoring platform usage against limits, configuring bulk API settings, and scheduling data sync or recipe runs. Focus on practical administration tasks and the configuration options that keep an analytics environment healthy. Security makes up the final 11%, is medium difficulty, and requires about 12 hours of scenario-based study focused on access and data protection. You will define and apply row-level security using predicates, implement user-based or organization-based row filtering, and test predicates against different user personas to validate behavior. The domain also covers app sharing and inherited security, including viewer, editor, and manager permissions, sharing inheritance relationships with predicates, assigning CRM analytics permission sets, and managing public versus private app visibility. Knowing how to secure datasets joined from multiple sources and choose flat or dynamic security models is critical for this section. Use this breakdown to build a study plan that allocates more hands-on time to data layer, dashboard implementation, and discovery while covering dashboard design, administration, and security with focused scenarios. Follow the estimated learning hours as a guide, practice with real datasets, and validate your knowledge with hands-on exercises and scenario questions. Good luck on the exam and study smart.